In the last 19 days, our Etsy sales have increased by 281% from the previous year. And in this video, I want to share with you 5 things that I believe contributed to that. So if you're interested in increasing your sales, well, you might want to stick around because one of these might actually do that for you. Now, at the time of recording this, we are pre-Q4. And what I mean by that is Q4 is generally going to be October, November, and December. That's generally when you're going to see a lift in your sales. But we are actually seeing the lift happen earlier this year. But this year, we planned a little bit further ahead, and we are seeing the benefits from it. So the very first thing that we did that I feel increased our sales was we started sooner, but not just started sooner, we started adding new products sooner. I see a lot of people starting 30 days before the actual event or the holidays, or in this case, Q4. So the very first part of this is Halloween. And we started way before Halloween was even being thought about. And now we're starting to see those sales. The same thing goes for Christmas. If you want to sell around Christmas, don't wait 30 days before Christmas. We actually started this in August and we started adding new products for Christmas. And guess what? People are actually buying them right now in September. Now, the other thing I will say is we also have products that we had from last year in the fourth quarter that we're building on. And what that does is it allows us to have products in our shop all throughout the year that also could be purchased for the holidays. Now, this is something that's going to take a little bit of time, but as you keep building your shop, every year should get a little bit better. Now, the other thing with adding new products is we're also building our brand for a specific niche. So whenever we're adding new products, we also have the chance of increasing the order value, which I'm a huge fan of. So if you haven't yet picked a niche and you're not serving that niche, you might want to consider it because, well, if you can increase the order value, you can make more money. And it's way easier to make more sales because, well, you have past customers. All right, so the second thing that I believe has helped us increase our sales is we added personalization. Now, we did add personalization last year, but we just started to. We started to experiment with it. And wow, were we blown away. And then we made it our mission to keep adding personalization and make sure that we were doing it towards fourth quarter. And that's exactly what we've done. And well, it's paying off because we are selling personalized goods now, which we weren't really doing a lot of last year. So if you're not yet offering personalization, you might want to consider it. Now, the other benefit of offering personalization is, well, when someone searches for personalized whatever, you're going to be able to show up. And that is a very, very high trafficked keyword. Etsy is well known for offering personalized goods, so we want to be part of that. So offering personalization has definitely helped us increase sales. All right, so the third thing is offering sales and promotions. Last year, we didn't do sales, and I mean sales like offering 25% off or doing a very, very aggressive launch with offering 50% off so we can get sales velocity. We weren't really doing that on a regular basis, but now we are. It's actually become part of our launch process where we launch a new item, we discount it aggressively, we get a lot of sales, and then we start to move up the price. So this way here, we can start to profit. Now, this is something I don't see a lot of people willing to do because everyone wants to get profit right out of the gate. We did this a month ago, but now we're starting to reap the benefits. So using sales and promotions has really, really helped us increase sales. The other thing that this does is once we start to get more sales, we also are able to get more reviews, and everything just kind of compounds on itself. Now, the other thing that we have found is that Etsy is also promoting us in their sales or their sales promotions that they're running, because they are going to highlight certain shops in certain categories that are running promos. When people are looking for certain gifts or certain types of items, they're going to show the ones that are on sale in their sales event. So that's another thing that has really worked well for us. Now, the fourth thing that has definitely helped us increase our sales is using email marketing. Now, if you don't know what email marketing is, it's where you have control of sending an email to people that have either purchased from you or people that are interested in what you have to offer. Now, the very first way that we've been doing this is we are collecting our customers' email. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but Etsy actually allows this. They actually have a full integration with Aweber, which is an email marketing platform. So what we did was we connected that, we started building that email list, and then we were able to send out emails letting people know about new products or special promos and sales that we're running. And this has definitely led to more sales. The other thing that we've done with email marketing is we've built an email list by giving away some of our items for free in exchange for someone's email. We'll run a giveaway and we will take maybe 3 or 4 of our products. And then what we'll do is we will offer them as a giveaway and we'll get a lot of people that want to enter to win it. Well, these people that we are putting this in front of are actually in our audience. That's the trick there. We want to make sure that we are building a giveaway that is for a certain niche. And then from there, once they enter their email address, we know that they're interested in that niche. And then we have an email list of people that are interested in what we have to offer. You see how that works? And then we get to send out an email and they might want to buy in the future. Now, do you see how powerful that can be? Imagine having a group of people that you know are interested in what you have to offer, and then you're able to send out emails about new upcoming products or promotions that you're running. And now with Etsy's new Save and Reward program, where they're going to give us, the Etsy shop owner, more money if we drive the traffic. So do you see, if we send an email, people buy from our link, we're going to get 4% more on every single purchase. And this here is another reason why email marketing is definitely something you should be doing. And we are doing it every single week. All right. The fifth and final thing that has led to more Etsy sales is we got more serious about running Etsy ads. And we really started to think to ourselves, what if we spent more money on Etsy ads, acquired customers, and then from there got their email address? Because remember what I just said, we get to build our email list with our customers now, and then we're sending emails for the follow-up that they can buy more. Is it worth it to spend more money, maybe not make as much on the front end of the sale, but make it up on the back end? And we are seeing really good results with using Etsy ads. We recently just ran a test, an experiment, and we tried to spend $500 per day on Etsy ads. But here's the deal. We did it for a couple of different reasons. Number one, we wanted to see, would it actually spend $500 per day? And the second thing we wanted to see is, if we did spend that much, would we actually make more sales? Well, we found out that even though we were able to spend up to $500 per day, on average, we spent around $40 to $60. And it's been definitely worth it because, well, we've increased those sales with the Etsy ads, but we've also seen a ripple effect to where we're getting more organic sales. And that's really where we see the profit. And we're building that email list of customers that we get to follow up with over and over again. So if you're not yet using Etsy ads, I definitely encourage you to give them a shot. Now, none of this would have worked if we didn't have products that were in demand, where people were actually searching for them and wanting to buy them. And this is where a lot of people struggle. And that's why I shot this video right here that shows you my exact process for finding products that are in demand and how to validate them. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.